Stephen Hawking, the internationally acclaimed physicist, who suffered from a debilitating motor neuron disease, has died at the age of 76, but his powerful words will live on forever. Here are a selection of Hawking's most inspirational, thought-provoking messages. The universe is not indifferent to our existence, it depends on it. Scientists have become the bearers of the torch of discovery in our quest for knowledge. The past, like the future, is indefinite and exists only as a spectrum of possibilities. Science is not only a disciple of reason but also one of romance and passion. Many people find the universe confusing, it's not. Science is increasingly answering questions that used to be the province of religion. Science can lift people out of poverty and cure disease. That, in turn, will reduce civil unrest. People who boast about their IQ are losers. People won't have time for you if you are always angry or complaining. Life would be tragic if it weren't funny. I am just a child who has never grown up. I still keep asking these how and why questions. Occasionally, I find an answer. God is the name people give to the reason we are here. I have noticed even people who claim everything is predestined, and that we can do nothing to change it, look before they cross the road. I believe there are no questions that science can't answer about a physical universe. However difficult life may seem, there is always something you can do and succeed at. I have found far greater enthusiasm for science in America than here in Britain. There is more enthusiasm for everything in America. I believe alien life is quite common in the universe, although intelligent life is less so. Some say it has yet to appear on planet Earth. In my opinion, there is no aspect of reality beyond the reach of the human mind. God may exist, but science can explain the universe without the need for a creator. Intelligence is the ability to adapt to change. There is no unique picture of reality. Work gives you meaning and purpose, and life is empty without it. When one's expectations are reduced to zero, one really appreciates everything one does have. We are just an advanced breed of monkeys on a minor planet of a very average star. But we can understand the universe. That makes us something very special. There is nothing bigger or older than the universe. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.